Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 48. You have this diagram here, okay, a demand and a supply graph. Now, the question is, a farmer whose production exceeds point C will experience A. Surplus to the market, B. Shortfalls in supply, C. Decrease in cost of production, D. Decrease in revenue generated. Now, we have established that in question 47, that the part labeled C is known as the equilibrium price. Okay, that is the equilibrium price labeled C. I will define it as the price at which quantity of goods demanded and supplied are equal. Okay, so what happens when it exceeds, goes above this point? Okay, now what happens is that above point C, quantity supplied, okay, above point C, any region above point C is region in which quantity of supply or quantity supplied increases, okay, hence leading to surplus in market. Now this is based on the fact that when quantity supplied is increased, you have more goods being supplied in the market than is being demanded for. Okay, so let's say 50, for example, if let's say 50 kg of that commodity is being demanded for, but because it has passed equilibrium price, you have, let's say, 100 kg of that goods being supplied, so it will lead to surplus in the market. So surplus is option A, surplus to the market. So that is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.